Hi guys, I hope you will fine. Today we will discuss about Nagwa Rama Rao Narayan Murthy. The lack of financial instance to the evil healthcare is a major challenge. Born on Tuesday 20 August 1946. Dar in Rama Roy, mother Padatma Murthy, wife Sudha Murthy, daughter Akshita Murthy, son Rohan Murthy. Hometown Bangalore, India. Narayan Murthy was born in Sidlaghatta, Chikna, Balapur district in Karnataka. His zodiac sign in Leo. He completed his schooling from the Sardar Bilas Boys High School, Mysore. He did his bachelor degree from electrical engineer from the University of Mysore and later completed his master degree from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Nagwa Rama Roy Narayan Murthy was born into a Brahmin Hindu family. His father N. Rama Roy was a high school teacher. His mother name is Padmatha Murthy. He is a seventh siblings. Murthy met Sudha Murthy, then the Sudha Kulkarni through a common friend Prasanna. He keeps of Vipur in Pune. Invited Sudha on dinner along with her friend. They started hanging out together from the movies, restaurant and parties. Soon they becomes a good friend, and one day Murthy proposed her for marriage. He said, I want to tell you something. I am 5 feet 4 inches tall. I come from a low middle class family. You can never become rich. You are beautiful, bright, intelligent, and you can get anyone you want. But will you marry me? Sudha liked her honesty, but she wanted her parent approval first. She arranged the Murthy meeting with her parent. Murthy was stuck in a traffic and could not reach on the time from the meeting, which made Sudha father very angry. After 2 hours of the decide the time of the meeting, Murthy took a taxi and reached at the Sudha place and wearing a bright red shirt. Sudha father asked him about his goal. Murthy said he wanted to become a politician and open an orphanage. Sudha father was unimpressed by his answer and said, after almost 3 years, Murthy got a job at a general manager. Sudha father finally accepted the Murthy proposal of marrying her on 18 February 1978. He got married to the Sudha at his home in Bangalore and in the presence of both the families. He shared his expenditures of the marriage with Sudha, which was only rupees 800. The couple is blessed with 2 children, Akshita Murthy and Rohan Murthy. After completing his master degree, he started working as a research analytics of IIM Ahmedabad. At later, he worked there as a chief programmer. He got opportunity to work with Indian first time share computer system and implemented a basic interpreter for Electronics Corporation of India Limited. He started a company Softronics, but the company failed in 1977. He joined the Patni Computer in Bombay, now Mumbai, as a general manager. He worked there for almost 4 years but wanted to start own company. He had no money to start the business, and then his wife Sudha gave him 10,000 to start the business. 1981, Murthy along with 6 other software engineers started Infosys at the Pune with an initial capital of $250. The 7 founders of Infosys, including N.R. Narayan Murthy and Nandan Nilekani, S. Gopal Krishnan, S.D. Subhlal, K. Dinesh, N.S. Raghavan और अशोक अरोड़ा. In 1983, Infosys was shifted from Pune to Bangalore. Murthy served as a CEO of Infosys from the 1981 to 2002 and becomes the chairman of the board from the 2002 to 2006, and on August 2011 he retired from Infosys with the title of chairman emeritus. June 2030, he retired to the Infosys as executive chairman, additional director. In 2014, he left the position of executive chairman and continued as a non-executive till 10 October 2013, and he was designed as chairman of emeritus on 11 October 2013. With the efforts of Murthy and other 6 co-founders, Infosys was become one of the largest Indian IT company with more than 800 customers in 30 countries. 29 March 2019, its market capitalization was recorded as $46.52 billion. Apart from being the co-founder of Infosys, Murthy was served as the independent director on the corporate board of HSBC and the director of the board of DBS Bank, Unilever, ICI and NDTV. He also a member of advisory board and council of various educational patriotic institutions. In 2013, Murthy company Infosys was fined $34 million from the visa fraud by unlawfully using the B1 visa holder from the working as a skilled labor, which is only allowed from H1 visa holder. In 2017, Infosys board said that the harsh attack from the Narayan Murthy against the board have resulted in its CEO and MD Vishal Sikha quit his position. 2000 Padma Shri from the Government of India. 2003 Ernst Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award. 2007 IEEE Ernest Weaver Engineer Leadership Recognition by the Institution of Electrical and Electronics Engineer. 2007 Honorary Commander from the Order of the British Empire CBE by the Government of United Kingdom. 2008 Padma Vibhushan by the Government of India. 2008 Officer of Legion of Honor by the Government of France. 2011 NDTV Indian of the Year Icon of India by the NDTV. 2013 the Asian Awards of Fellow Critic of the Year. His net worth is $2.47 billion.